Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is nothing else but Crape jasmine. This is also known as Chandni. As you know, jasmine plant is known for its majestic evergreen flowering plant. It blooms small white flowers and they have a really good fragrance. It definitely adds a beautiful touch to your garden. As you know, winter is already over. That's why in today's video we will tell you on how you should take care of it for the summer season. In today's video, I'll be telling you about how to take care of your Chandni plant. After winter, our plant's health was like this. As you can see, the plant's health was not very good. The leaves were damaged and dry. And the plant was also not bushy or healthy. That's why my mom first removed all the dead and dry leaves. After that, she thought of repotting the plant, because the pot was a little bit small for the plant to grow. While repotting, my mom also noticed that there was a root bound. Can you see how much the root bound is? That's why my mom thought of cutting the roots. Cutting the roots like this won't damage the roots or the plant in any way. So if your plant's also got a root bound and you're thinking to repot the plant, this is the right time. After freeing it from root bound, my mom is going to repot it to another bigger pot. Here my mom is mixing kitchen waste compost with garden soil. As you already know, kitchen waste compost has a lot of micro and macronutrients. Then she added eggshell and dried banana peel powder. As you know, they are both high in potassium. Then my mom simply repotted the jasmine plant. After repotting, make sure to keep your plant in a well sunlight area, because Chandni plants thrive well in sunlight. And make sure that the soil is a well draining soil. Also, don't overwater your Chandni plants, as overwatering can cause root rot, and root rot can cause death of the plant. So make sure to only water when the topsoil is dry. After that, my mom decided to add some coco pit. As you know, before giving any fertilizer, make sure to dig your soil. And after giving any kind of fertilizer, make sure to water your plants thoroughly. Do you know these Chandni plants have many benefits? They have a calming impact on the brain. And do you know they may lower blood pressure and reduce heart rate? So make sure to plant it in your garden as well. I hope this video helps you. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.